Hi, today I am preparing fish Koliwada. Koli is a fisherman and Wada is a colony. So you have this fisherman's colony all over Maharashtra and in Bombay especially we have got Koliwada and so this fish is from those Koliwada Bombay how they prepare it. So I've got this is basa or tilapia and this is shark or lemon fish as we call here in New Zealand. So I've got about 300 to 400 grams of basa and about half kilo of shark or lemon fish. So I'm using this fiskars. So I'm cutting some big pieces. Similarly, I'll cut the other fish. I'm making a paste now of Kashmiri chili powder, about 3/4 teaspoon. 3/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now this is ajwan, about 1 teaspoon of ajwan, and this is lime juice. And ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. Now I'll apply this to the fish pieces and then keep it aside for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to make a batter and then put the fish pieces in that. So lightly I'm going to mix it. You can put all the fish pieces together. Only thing I'm keeping it aside because the vasa is slightly softer than the shark and it might break up. So I've got this is 1/4 cup. This is chickpeas flour or besan. This is corn flour. One-fourth cup. This is rice flour. 1/4 cup. And then I'll put in the chili powder, about half teaspoon. Again, half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder, half teaspoon, salt, about half teaspoon salt because already added salt there into the marinade. And this is amchur powder, about half teaspoon. So this is chaat masala, about another half teaspoon. So I already added ginger garlic paste, so I'm not going to add again. And then I'm going to mix it well, then add water and make a batter, a thick batter. Then I'll add those pieces into this. So this is spicy dish, so all the spice depends, how much spice depends on how yourself, so and your guests. So this being a snack, I'm going to now add the fish pieces into this. I'm going to add everything together and keep it aside for about an hour, at least half an hour you require. And then you can deep fry it, but if you don't want to deep fry, then you can pan fry or even in the oven. So place it in the oven for about 15-20 minutes at about 200 to 250 degrees at on fan bake. Preheat oven at 250 degrees fan bake. And now I've got this some of the marinated fish pieces. I'm going to place it inside for about 15-20 minutes. I've got the marinated pieces for deep frying, and this is now I removed some for pan fry. The oil is hot and on medium heat. I'll drop this, spread it out. The bubbles reduce, then remove them. Deep fry them, but here some people don't like to deep fry. I'm frying. After about 2-3 minutes, turn it around and fry the other side. Turn them round, frying the other side. Another 2 minutes and remove it. This is from the oven. After 15 minutes, I am turning it over and putting it back in for about another 10 minutes. So we have fish Koliwada. So on the right you have the deep fried. In the middle you got the oven baked, and on the left you got the pan fried. Enjoy.